Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. First of all, I want to ask you to make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you are not, hit that subscribe button to don't miss any new video I post. For now, only 10% of you watching are subscribed to the channel. Let's raise that number. The official date for the next Unpacked event from Samsung is now officially released, and it's gonna be the 5th of August. Samsung released this short invitation video where we can see the S Pen and a drop falling down from it. On this event we should expect to see the Note 20 and the bigger Note 20 Ultra, and some rumors say that Samsung will launch the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G as well on the 5th of August. This year is going crazy. First we had the Note 20 leak on the official website of Samsung, and after that we saw hands-on video of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Here you can see the hands-on of the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and it looks amazing. As for big changes, we can see that they moved the S Pen position from the right side to the left side, along with the speaker as well. Even they changed the location of the S Pen, as we can see is the same pen on the outside, but it will bring new and great features. As for the cameras, the rumors say that the Note 20 Ultra will no longer have the 100x space zoom, just an optimized 50x zoom, and we can confirm that some crazy kind of zoom it's still gonna be on the Note 20 Ultra. Looking at this image, we can see the first camera, which will probably the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The second one is probably gonna be the 108 megapixel wide angle camera, and the third camera we can see has a square shape, so it's 100% a telephoto camera with 50 or maybe 100x zoom. As I said, the S Pen will bring some new features, and one that we can see is that we will be able to use the S Pen as a pointer. This is gonna be really useful with the Galaxy Dex future. As for the specs, we are expecting the Note 20 to have a 6.42 inch 1080p display with 60 or maybe 120 Hz refresh rate, rocking the Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 990 depending on region, with a battery between 4 and 4.3 thousand mAh with 5G. As for the Note 20 Ultra, we are expecting a 6.87 inch 1440p display with 120 Hz refresh rate, with the same Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 990, and a battery between 4500 and 5000 mAh. For the cameras, we expect both phones to rock 12 megapixel ultrawide and telephoto camera, and the Note 20 will have a 64 megapixel wide camera with a time of flight sensor, while the Note 20 Ultra will have the 108 megapixel camera with a laser focus sensor. So that's all for today. I'm really excited to see the new Note lineup. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye bye.